Welcome to another cooking video on Lynn Cooks
Now
and
we're
More.
going to wash
Please
them.
subscribe. Garlic butter French beans.
These are French beans. You notice they are very thin as compared to the regular Baguio beans. These French beans are also locally produced up here in the mountains. I am going to show one of the ways to cook them. Garlic buttered French beans. Please watch. We can clean this French bean by removing those ends like this. Or we can clean it by removing only one end, the head one. We do not remove the tail end. We just retain it if it's what you like. But for me, I prefer to remove both ends like this. Okay? These are French beans.
Fresh beans.
Yes.
I cannot eat them.
We have to cook them first.
Then carrots and potatoes.
No, I'll be cooking French beans only. No carrots, no potatoes.
You go under.
Now we're going to wash them. If you like, after removing the ends, I'm going to wash them.
I can wash the peas also.
Beans, not peas. Use your two hands if you want to help. Okay.
If this can wash, it's like
So you run it under the water.
like this. I have a shower.
That's half done. If you want it well done, you can simmer it some more on slow fire for 5 to 10 minutes, like this. Still tender, still green. Alright, thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel, please. That's it again.
And so, a true follower of the Lord has to practice humility and complete trust in the Lord. That opens the door for moving on. We let go of hatred, of anger. We trust in His humility. We trust Him in humility. And let Him fill our tongues.
Standard parking is discouraged. Please vacate the parking space.
Thank you.